Friday night and I'm on my way to my friend Melanie's birthday / release party at a restaurant somewhere over here east. Oh, there it is. Which is fun. I haven't seen her and a bunch of those people in a bit, so yeah.
I'm so happy that you're all here. I love you so much. And each and every one of you have like formed me into the person I am today. And I'm so thankful and blessed to have you all in my life. And I'm so excited to like share and make more memories together.
I refuse.
I'm gonna kill you later. No, but honestly, and my best friend, Patrick. I mean, we've created so many songs together. One of them, actually, Ash, they won Melodifestivalen. We did it! So, like, one of the gifts I wanted for my birthday was Patrick to sing one of my favorite songs. It's called Numb. I didn't feel it, I'm just numb. Draw the line, right back to you. If you wanna go, you should go. No, I don't want you to go, but if you already know, baby, you should have gone. Ja, visst ska hon leva, ja, visst ska hon leva, ja, visst ska hon leva ut i 100:e år.
Alright, let me tell you, it is mighty cold outside and it's like 9:30 at night and we're gonna go into the lake. Into the water. It's gonna mighty cold. It's all about focus. Channel my inner Tornio Haparanda guy.
Gick från hemma till att ta sig ut. Låg ett glitter över natten, bara början, inget slut. Jag var 16 år, hade redan skrapsår. Minns lugnet första gången du la handen på mitt lår. Flera år gick innan vi gick åt samma håll. Dream team last forever, everlasting. Noll koll, skulle pitcha upp, men ackorden blev till moll. Dream team blev till luft, fuck it, spelar roll. Lova ingenting, men snälla stanna. Vi två är kaos, men blir så rädd för varandra. Sättet som du rör i mig gör mig galen. Lova ingenting, så vi inte skapar någonting som tar slut.
Ja, men 10.
Vi kan kalla det tredje världskriget. Ingen tittar genom filter när du lever mitt i det. Galenskapen, psykos, rustar för raseriet. Svär på min grav, aldrig ta någonting för givet.
It is the next morning and it's wintry landscape. However, the whole house was so cold. So cold. I slept next to the heater, but that didn't help. Oh, look at that. That's where we went in last night. And that's where we're going to go in hopefully in an hour. Bra, känns det bra?
Ja!
Taggad, kom igen nu.
Jättetaggad.
Nej, ska vi se. Jag ska vända på varenda sten. Ska kontrollen, Alec?
Vi ska ta tillbaka demokrat. Kontrollen över.
Vi ska skapa klimatsmarta jobb för att hela landet ska leva. I woke up this morning shivering. The whole body was just shivering from like fever. I don't know what it's called. Fever, cold. So I'm gonna be home today. I just hope I'm well next week because that's when things will be happening. This is what I did when I was sick. I've been having a cold and a fever the last few days, so I'm gonna do what is actually my first COVID test, which isn't an antibody test, but my first where I do it myself. So just hope this passes. I mean, if it's a normal cold, before I head down to Malmö to celebrate Christmas with my family in 5 days. So I just did the test, and the good people that packed the kit forgot to pack the Q-tips. I had to use one of my own, but otherwise, not a pleasant experience. But at least now it's been sent off, and hopefully maybe tomorrow I'll get an answer. I talked to my friend Malin, who works as a nurse, and she said that there's like this really, really big cold influenza going around now. So chances are pretty big that that's what I'm having. So, but at least you want to be sure. So I'm going to continue with my friend's puzzle now. It's all black and white. Well, today has not been fun. My body is shivering, it's shaking, and my head, my face right now is just burning up. Hopefully, at least I will get the result of the COVID test tomorrow, so I can at least rule that out, and then we just wait and hopefully feel better. So yes, the test result came in after midnight last night, and not COVID, just the flu. And also, when I woke up this morning, or should I say close to lunch, I got an email from the car dealer, the place where we ordered our car in May. You can come pick it up next Wednesday. So yes, we're finally gonna pick up our little Cooper. It's a good day, good day. This is the first time I've been out in over a week. Air. Good times. We're gonna get our car soon. In 1 week. 1 week from today we get the car. Yes. We gotta chop a tree.
Dörrarna stängs.
The doors are closing. So it's Monday, back at work after well over a week in the sick bed, and I also went out during lunch to run, because I've calculated that in order for me to reach my 150 exercise moments, I need to double up every single day that's left of December. Yeah, fun. Also, something happened today. I posted my literal translation video where I literally translate from Swedish to English, which makes it sound weird. But I got like a I don't know what it's called, like a tip, like a someone tipped me. Well, Antonio tipped me, so I just want to say thank you so much, Antonio. That was a first. Gonna go and buy some ice cream now. We're gonna pick up our car. It's 2:45 at night, and sitting here laying puzzles, but I have 4 days off now for Christmas, and I think I'm gonna hit the sack now. Good job. Good job. I'm just back from the mall. Picked up 2 Christmas presents for my wife. This is a acrylic set with some brushes and some paint, because she likes that. And I also just wrapped in some Marshall speakers. I know. And we're gonna actually go to the mall again. I'm gonna pick her up in our car. And we're gonna go to the mall and experience the nightmare before Christmas. Basically the day before Christmas. So it's the 23rd today, and Christmas Eve is when we celebrate here in Sweden. So yeah, feeling good. Parking is set. It's in the garage right now, borrowing a spot from neighbors here. and life is good. Life is good. Look at that tree. Look at that tree. I'm gonna put this little present underneath the tree. Underneath the Christmas tree, there'll be presents for my wife. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, we're at the mall Christmas shopping, and we split up, and we're gonna meet back in 40 minutes. The trick, of course, is not to run into each other and, you know, spoil where we shopped, even though I have this bag, but that was just for me. So she wanted a day and a night cream. I just went in and I picked them up, and then it was like $100, and I'm like, what? Small little, what? Oh. Spending my cash, watching my bank account go down. Stop it, you little Grinch. Oi, 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 oi. Whoa, time to do a Christmas Eve midday run. It snowed last night, so we'll see how this goes. It might be so that I went to the Christmas sale that begins today with surprisingly few people, actually. I was surprised. And I got myself a soundbar for the TV. Merry Christmas, Martin, and everybody living in the household, not the cat. I also got milk. I just went out and ran in what is now sort of a snowstorm here in Stockholm. We're like the last ones to get snow, even though we've had a little bit, but not like the rest of the country. I'm gonna take a shower, and then then I'm gonna clean the apartment, empty the fridge and all that, because we're having guests tonight. My mother-in-law, it's her birthday, and we're gonna buy fancy food and have a nice dinner. So that'll be good. I need to leave in an hour and a half, so I need to get going. Oh, and also, I started another Instagram account. I know. I started the Instagram account, The Swedish Uncle, which will be my forum for putting great advice and reflections out into the world for the younger generation and for those who haven't picked it up yet that are older than me. So if you're up for peculiar quotes and mind-blowing thinking, well, Swedish Uncle on Instagram, yeah. There is a gigantic line to the state monopoly liquor store, and we're here at Åstrand to pick up our New Year's dinner. It's New Year's Eve. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm sitting here realizing that I'm about to go out and run, and by doing so, it'll be the 150th time that I exercise this year, which means that I will have finally, after 3 years of trying this, managed to meet my goal of doing that. And it's a weird feeling. It's a weird feeling, but it still has to be done. We're not there yet. We're at 149, and we have 11 hours to do it. And then tomorrow's a new goal starts. All right, time to go pick up my wife and our guest. All right, I'm sitting in the parking lot waiting for my wife, and I spent a good hour of this day watching fail blogs, summary of 2021. There's a lot of car accidents, and now I'm getting all paranoid here because I'm at a parking lot, I need to back out, and I just don't want to be a participant in a fail blog video.